Hey art buddies, welcome back to Brushing Beyond. Have you ever stared at the clouds and imagined they look like animals or shapes? Well, today I'm turning that imagination into reality with a cloud shaped like a bear. Yes, you heard that right. A bear cloud holding a glowing star. We're adding dreamy textures, soft glows, and like always, a sprinkle of Procreate magic. So get cozy and let's float into this dreamy sky together. We're starting with a deep night sky blue background to set the calm dreamy mood. Next, I'm sketching a soft outline of our cute little bear holding a star. Simple and sweet. Our sketch is ready. Let's reduce the opacity and jump into coloring. Time to grab the default cloud brush and paint soft fluffy clouds using a mix of white and light blue shades. Build it up layer by layer to create that dreamy depth. It already feels like we are floating, doesn't it? Let's trace the bear's outline with the monoline brush. Now fill it in and blur it softly to make it blend into the clouds. Now grab the cotton brush and start adding that fluffy texture to the bear. Using a lighter blue shade, we'll add soft shadows near the outer edges. And then blur them slightly for that hazy look. Time for the star. This is going to be the magical part. Pick a soft yellow and draw the glowing star right in the bear's hands. Soften the edges with some Gaussian blur to keep the dreamy feel. To make the bear hold the star, sketch the hand lines above the star layer. Then erase the overlapping edges of the star just along those lines. Reduce the opacity of the hand lines and then paint over them with a soft whitish shade to blend in the tiny arms. a little blur, and just like that, it's holding the star. Time to add those tiny details. Cutest little paws. Adorable eyes. And a tiny nose. Looking adorable already, right? Let's make the star shine. Duplicate the layer, alpha lock it, fill with a lighter yellow, unlock, and blur. Now repeat the same steps with white and see that magical glow come alive. Add a soft glow around the star with a light yellow-orange tone. Blur it and adjust the opacity. A touch more glow, a hint more shading. And this little star is sparkling. Now let's help the bear float. Use the cloud brush and add glowing peach tone clouds under the bear. They'll act like a cozy cloud bed. Now sprinkle some sparkling stars around using the glitter brush. And it's done! Our dreamy bear with a glowing star is ready to float through the night. If you want the full color palette for this artwork, just drop a comment below and I'll share it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone who could use a little soft magic today.